Today I'll walk you through how to set up a CRAID log in Monday.com, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a structured board for your CRAID log so you can efficiently manage your projects. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're logged in, you should see a familiar dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Now, let's get started. First, locate the plus sign on your screen. This is where we initiate the creation of a new board. Click on that plus sign to proceed. Next, you'll want to select Board from the options that appear. This will allow you to create a new workspace specifically for your CRAID log. Once you've clicked on Board, it's time to name your board. Choose a name that reflects its purpose, such as CRAID log. This will help you easily identify it later on. Think of it as labeling a file folder for easy access. After naming your board, the next step is to click on Create Board. This action will finalize the creation of your new workspace, and you'll be directed to the board view where you can start customizing it. Now, you might want to delete any unnecessary groups that were created by default. This will help keep your workspace clean and focused on your CRAID log. With your board set up, it's time to label each row according to your needs. I recommend using labels like item, assigned to, CRAID category/item, status, due date, priority level, comments, and last update. This structured approach will make it easier to track your projects. You can also rearrange your columns by hovering your mouse over the specific column header and dragging it to your desired position. This flexibility allows you to customize the layout to suit your workflow. If you need to add a new column, simply click on the plus sign again. A menu will pop up allowing you to choose the type of column you want to add. For instance, I used a status type column and renamed the drop-down options to fit my project needs. Feel free to create your own layout or sequence based on your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a CRAID log in Monday.com. This structured board will help you manage your tasks and projects more effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.